Every living system has a direction. Birth, growth, death, that's not an opinion, that's biology. Except for this one, this animal found the exit door, and it walks back through it every time. Every cell in your body has a clock. It divides, it ages, it stops. That's called senescence. And for every animal on this planet, it only runs one way, forward, always forward. Until now, the biological clock has been overridden. When this jellyfish is injured, or starving, or simply old, it doesn't die, it doesn't fight it, it reverses. Its cells change identity. A muscle cell becomes a nerve cell. A skin cell becomes an egg. The entire body rebuilds itself from the beginning. Not similar to the beginning, the beginning. The process is called transdifferentiation, and it should be impossible. In most organisms, a specialized cell stays specialized. A liver cell cannot become a brain cell. The system doesn't allow it, but Turritopsis dohrnii rewrites the instruction. It takes a fully formed cell, strips its identity, and reassigns it, like resetting a program, without losing the hardware. Other animals live long. The Greenland shark, 500 years. The bowhead whale, 200 years. The giant tortoise, 150. But they still die. They slow the clock. This one resets it. Theoretically, there is no limit. The cycle can repeat indefinitely. Scientists aren't studying this out of curiosity. They're studying it because of what it implies. If a cell can be completely reprogrammed, without damage, without rejection, the applications don't stop at jellyfish. Degenerative disease, tissue regeneration, aging itself. This animal isn't a miracle. It's a blueprint. Most systems break down over time. This one uses breakdown as a restart mechanism. At Design by Nature, we don't just study survival. We study the systems behind it. And this system has no off switch.